Now in front of us we have question 1 fifth part of exercise 3.6. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a linear pair of linear equations. So first we will change it into a linear pair of linear equations. So first we have given 7x minus 2y upon xy equal to 5. So first this is 7x. Now we will solve this. 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equals to 5. Now here we will get 7 upon y minus 2 upon x equals to 5. So this is our first equation. The next equation is 8x plus 7y upon xy equals to 15. This implies 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy equals to 15. So here x will be this is x 8 upon y plus 7 upon x equals to 15. So this is our second equation. Okay. Now put 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v in equation 1 and 2. So 1 by y is this 7v minus 2u equals to 5. This is third equation. Fourth equation is 8v plus 7u 8v plus 7u equals to 15. Okay. Now this is fourth equation. Now we will use the elimination method. Multiply equation 3 by 7 and 4 by 2 and then add the result. This is 7. So 7 7 is 49v minus 14u is equal to 35. Now this is multiplied by 2. 8 to the 16v 14u equals to 30 minus, but we will adding this, so this will be deduct. Now 49 plus 16 is 65 equals to 65. So v is equal to 1. Now put the value of v in equation 3. 7 v is 1 minus 2u is equal to 5 minus 2u is equal to 5 minus 7 is minus 2u is equal to 1. But 1 by x is equal to u, so x is equal to 1 by x equals to 1, so x equals to 1, and 1 by y is equal to v, and 1 by y is equal to, what is the value of v? V is also 1, so y is equal to 1. So the required solution is x and y is equal to 1. You can write here, so the solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.